Good morning. Is the engine ready for the long trip?
Morning, Olivia. I am finishing the last checks right now.
I feel a bit nervous about the crossing today.
That is normal for your first solo cross-country flight.
I have checked the weather report 5 times already.
The sky looks clear, but the wind might change.
Did you check the oil levels in the main tank?
Yes, I replaced the filter and added fresh oil.
This plane feels different every time I fly it.
It is a machine with a character. Treat it gently.
I call her Bluebird because of the stripes.
Well, Bluebird is in perfect condition for today.
Thank you, Ethan. I trust your work more than mine.
You are a great pilot. You just need confidence.
I spent all night studying the emergency procedures again.
Preparation is 80% of a successful flight, Olivia.
Can we test the propeller balance one more time?
Sure. It feels smooth, but a double check is good.
I don't want any vibrations when I'm at 5,000 feet.
It stops exactly where it should.
The hangar feels so quiet today compared to yesterday.
Everyone is at the air show in the next city.
I wish I could go there, but I have a mission.
Your mission is more exciting than any air show, trust me.
I have my flight bag ready in the locker.
Don't forget your extra headset and the water bottle.
I have everything packed, including my lucky gold coin.
Whatever helps you stay calm up there is useful.
Let's look at the fuel sample before we continue.
Good idea. Safety always comes first in this hangar. Look at the color of this fuel. It is perfect.
It is a beautiful shade of blue, no water bubbles.
If you see any sediment, we stop the flight immediately.
I learned that in the very first week of school.
Many pilots get lazy with this step. Never be one of them.
I want to fly for many years, so I will be careful.
Now, let's check the tire pressure on the landing gear.
They look a bit flat to me this morning.
The cold air at night makes the pressure drop slightly.
I will help you pump them up to 30 pounds.
Hold the gauge for me, please.
It is at 25 now, just a little more.
There, perfect 30 for a smooth landing on grass.
Are the brake pads still thick enough for the trip?
I checked them yesterday. They have plenty of life left.
The mountains have very short runways. I need good brakes.
You'll stop exactly where you want to, Olivia.
I am worried about the engine temperature in the heat.
I adjusted the cooling flaps for the summer weather.
You think of everything, Ethan. You are a genius.
I just don't like surprises when it comes to flying.
Neither do I. Surprises are for birthdays, not cockpits.
That is a very good rule for a pilot.
I'm going to check the tail surface now.
Make sure the hinges move freely without any noise.
They are moving perfectly, no resistance at all.
Now we should check the battery voltage on the screen.
I will hop into the seat and turn the master switch.
Tell me the number when the display turns on.
It says 12.8 volts. Is that enough?
12.8 is great. The alternator is working well.
The radio has a bit of static today, I think.
I will tighten the antenna connection on the roof.
I need to hear the tower clearly at the big airport.
Give me a second. Try the radio now.
Testing 1, 2, 3. It is crystal clear now.
It was just a loose screw. Vibrations do that often.
What about the vertical speed indicator? It looks tilted.
It is just the glass reflecting the hangar lights.
Oh, you're right. From this angle, it looks straight.
Always trust your instruments, but check your eyes too.
I'm setting the altimeter to the local pressure now.
1013 millibars is the current setting.
Set. Now the needle is exactly at 0 feet.
We are at sea level here, so that is correct.
My first stop is 2,000 feet above us.
Remember that the air is thinner up there, Olivia.
I will adjust the fuel mixture when I start climbing.
Keep it rich for takeoff and lean it out later.
I have the checklist taped to my kneeboard.
That is the best place for it. Never rely on memory.
The seatbelt feels a bit tight on my shoulder.
I can adjust the height of the strap for you.
That is much better. I can move my arms freely.
You need to be comfortable for a 4-hour flight.
I have my sunglasses in the side pocket.
The sun will be right in your eyes this afternoon.
I will use the sun visor when I turn west.
Everything in the cockpit is ready. Let's step out.
I feel like a real pilot now, Ethan. Let's look at the route over the mountain pass.
This is the most dangerous part of your journey.
The peaks are very high and the clouds stay low.
If the clouds are touching the peaks, do not go.
I will turn back to the valley and wait.
That is the right decision. Pride is dangerous for pilots.
I have marked the emergency fields in red on my map.
This farm here has a very long and flat meadow.
I hope I never have to see it from the ground.
You won't. This engine is as strong as a lion.
I will follow the river to the bridge.
The river is the best navigation tool in this area.
Then I turn 30 degrees to the right for the valley.
Watch out for the tall radio towers near the city.
I have their height written in big numbers here.
Good. They are hard to see when the sun is low.
I will stay at 4,000 feet until the bridge.
That gives you plenty of time to react if needed.
I have my backup GPS charged and ready in my bag.
Digital tools are great, but the paper map never fails.
I like the smell of the ink on this old map.
It has helped many pilots find their way home.
Do you think I am ready for this adventure, Ethan?
You have the skills and you have the discipline.
I just hope my hands don't shake when I take off.
Once the wheels leave the ground, you will feel fine.
That is what my flight instructor always used to say.
He was right. Flying is where you belong, Olivia.
Let's put the map back in the cockpit.
Fold it carefully so you can see the first leg. I just want to check the spark plugs one last time.
I will hold the light for you. It's dark in there.
They look clean and dry, no carbon.
That means the engine is burning the fuel perfectly.
Yes, the spark is strong and the timing is correct.
I can hear the metal cooling down after the test run.
There, everything is secure and tight.
You have a very steady hand with that wrench.
I have been fixing these engines for 15 years.
Do you ever miss flying yourself?
I prefer the ground. I like knowing how things work.
I like the view from above. It makes the world small.
We need both types of people to keep the planes up.
I am glad you are the one on the ground for me.
I will be listening to the radio frequency all day.
I will send a signal when I reach the first waypoint.
I will wait for your call. Don't forget the code.
Bluebird is flying high. I remember.
The engine cover is locked now.
Is there anything else we missed, Ethan?
Check the oil door one more time with your hand.
It is locked and flush with the wing.
Good. Now you are officially ready for departure.
I need to put on my flight jacket now.
It's getting a bit chilly outside. The wind is picking up.
That is good. A headwind will help me lift off faster.
But it will slow you down on the way to the coast.
I have enough fuel for 6 hours, so it's okay.
Always keep an hour of fuel in reserve, Olivia.
I will. I promise to be the safest pilot today.
The runway is clear. No other planes are moving.
I am starting the engine now. Clear prop.
Prop is clear. Go ahead, Olivia.
It sounds perfect, like a song.
Watch your oil pressure gauge as it warms up.
It is rising slowly into the green zone.
I will pull the wheel chocks away from the tires.
Thank you. I am taxiing to the yellow line now.
Take your time. No need to rush the taxi.
Bluebird is ready for takeoff.
You have a green light from me.
I am pushing the throttle to full power now.
The tail is up. You are gaining speed quickly.
I am flying. I am up.
Look at her go. She's a natural.
Ethan, Bluebird is in the air.
Loud and clear. Have a safe trip.
The view of the hangar from here is beautiful.
Focus on your airspeed, Olivia. Keep it steady.
Speed is 80 knots, climbing to 3,000.
The wind is pushing you a bit to the left.
I see it. I am correcting the heading now.
Perfect. You are right on the line of the map.
I can see the river already. It's shining like silver.
Follow the silver road, pilot. I will stay here.
Thank you for everything, Ethan. See you in a week.
I will have the hangar open and ready for you.
Bluebird is flying high. Out.
Good luck, Olivia.
What a wonderful day.